So when not to trust your service advisor who's working on your car. And we're going to go back to this guy who stuck it in this customer's ass for an AC recharge. So we're going to go to brake parts cleaner, okay, for one, and the brake fluid flush. All right, so you got that brake parts cleaner and the brake fluid flush. So on the following page, here's the recommendations on the same day. Tire lights on, further diagnostic required. You think the guy would even put a gauge on his tires to see if it needed air? Nope, he wants to get paid for that. And then if that doesn't work, he's going to charge you again for a TPMS diagnostic. I can't imagine what this guy charges to put air in your tires. Next, replace your wiper blade. That's pretty important, right? Replace your wiper blades. Replace the right front marker light or marker. Recommend drain and fill the CVT transmission. Oh, that's real important. Replace both rear tires due to dry rot conditions. Recommend inspection the brakes at next service. I assure you he's not doing that for free. Recommend inspection of brakes at next service. Oh, they're already recommending the rear brake overhaul. So they recommend next brake service to get them checked, but then he's recommending a rear brake overhaul. Interesting. Recommend spark plugs and induction service if never done. Needs washer fluid topped off. You mean that guy couldn't fucking do it for job supplies and hazardous material charges? So first off, is the brake fluid flush important when you need brake repairs? He's saying right here, you need brake repairs based on his evaluation, right? Recommended. And then he recommends a brake inspection, so I'm fucking confused there. But is a brake fluid flush important when you need brake repairs? No. Is it important to find out why your tire light's on? Depends. Is it important to have functioning wiper blades? Sure. How about a turn signal or a marker light? Yes. So this service writer or owner or advisor does not have this guy's best interest. He could have put $136 into something else on this list that was actually legitimately needed. Declined work. Remove and replace wiper blades. Remove and replace left front marker bulb. That's important, not a brake fluid flush.